Did we just talk about the plant tissues and forget the real hero of the plant growth? Hey everyone, welcome back to Genora Academy. So in the previous chapter, we have missed a most important topic of the plant tissues. Yes, we forgot to discuss about the meristematic tissues there. But don't worry, let's fix it here in just 1 minute. So let's start. As we already know that plant tissues can be of two types, that is the permanent tissues and the meristematic tissues. So today we are going to discuss about the meristematic tissues. So the main function of this meristematic tissue is that it helps in the growth of the plants. That means they have the capability to divide their cells. So now have a look on this image first. So here we can see that meristematic tissues can be of three types. Apical meristematic tissues, intercalary meristematic tissues and the lateral meristematic tissues. So here from this image you can able to understand the apical meristematic tissues are something that is found at the tip of the plants, which means it is helping in the growth of the roots and the shoots, means it is responsible for making the plant taller in nature. Okay, so this is also called as the primary growth. Now the next one is the lateral meristematic tissues. Now it is found here in the lower portion, means it is responsible for making the plants wider in nature. Whether the plant will be wider, thicker or thin, that depends on the lateral meristematic tissues. Now the intercalary meristematic tissues. So this intercalary meristematic tissue is basically found at the base of the leaves or the internodes, leaves or the nodes. This intercalary meristematic tissues is basically responsible for the growth of the leaves and the nodes. So this was all about the meristematic tissues. Nothing more than that. You have to just memorize this picture, because most of the times in the examinations they ask you to draw this picture. So this picture is very much important, and once you will draw this and then explain the whole thing, then that will be much more better for your examinations. Now the plant tissue chapter is complete now. Don't forget to check the full video that is already uploaded in the channel.